Hello YouTube and hello Twitch. We'll start a new dev session on my web app StoreMyDocs. So everything looks okay. Okay, so let's continue. So I was having some issues on some task. Actually, this task is finished. And I'm on this task. So I was doing some demo of my feature, and I noticed that these two tasks were, at least the last one was necessary. So I'm working on it. And there is an issue because I forgot to open my IDE. The problem I have, so I made this change on line 110. I'm doing, when I close the dialog, I'm doing a final create categories. Which is an observable, which is actually a call to the API, and so something I had some doubts about. But subscribes is not synchronous. Like if, what happens inside the subscribe will happen in some at some point, but not now. Yeah, that's what happens. The problem with my test is passing because the order is important. And yeah, the problem I have is that my test is passing even though I don't really like the way it is simulating asynchronous observable by with something which is synchronous. Or maybe it's my fault. Maybe it's because I'm returning off directly. I guess my problem is I'm mocking the call to which one it is. Set category. I guess it's this one. Oh, there is first. Okay. First, there is a finder create folder. Yeah. Okay. I'm mocking it with a return of an observable in this way. And I guess they are synchronous if I do it like this. Let's check quickly. If I do off something subscribe, then I do console log test. I guess I will get something test in this order. Yeah. And just to make sure, if I remove the fake async here, what is happening? Yes, it's the same. And actually, fake async is not useful here. It's useful in some case, but not in this one. To check, because fake async as a using timer. Regular mock observable. Okay, I remember something. No. No, it's no, never mind. Because I know when something return a promise, then ngmocks, the framework for mocking stuff that I'm using, they have a special way of returning from a promise. Okay, let's see what they do. Mock provider. Trying to check if there is a way to mock the return of an observable. Yeah, I'm not finding something that I'm interested in. Okay, I don't really understand what they are really doing here. They are using mock provider. Okay. Empty. I don't know what empty is. Okay, it seems to be related to okay. Okay, I see what they are doing. Okay, that's not what I want. Fake async is good because they have a way to simulate the passage of time with tick. Maybe I can use something. Yes, this. This is something I like. Okay, let's see. Pipe with delay. And let's see. Can specify the delay of 1, maybe. Okay, if I run again the test, it should. Yeah, that's better. And let's see if I have 1000 just to see. Okay, you only see the. You only see the message here. I want to check also something must be consumed observable. If I do this, do I have an error? Yes, that was unexpected. Is this maybe? Okay, there is something I don't really get. Because the must be consumed observable is something which I do yeah, a tap. So the correct way would be to do this. But I don't understand why I see something first. It's like it's waiting at this point. Just to check. Okay, that's better. So delay is in milliseconds, maybe. Milliseconds, okay. now if I do a tick simulates the passage of time. Okay, I forgot to have the fake async wrapper. Hello Pagan. Is it wrong? No, it's okay. So I'm checking a way to detect problems with the order of asynchronous and synchronous calls. Okay, I guess it's not working because I need to specify the delay of the tick. Probably. Okay, I'm not a big fan of doing it like this because new macro task. I could be using set timeout to simulate Okay, I see what I would prefer. Does it work? If I'm not mistaken, I could do something like save it inside the variable. New. Don't remember the syntax exactly. Let's see, I'm not exactly familiar. Create observable RxJS. I want to see how you can. Okay, I see. Okay, so I have a subscriber like this, and I can use a set timeout. Subscriber next, and you have a complete also. Actually, they are using the set timeout here. So next, let's say something followed by subscriber complete. So let's see, if I remove the tick, I should have an error. Yes. And if I add the tick, it should work. Okay. This way it's great. That means that I will be doing... So must be consumed observable. Let's see. So the usage. So that I can modify a bit my function. I guess I can pin this result. Yes, here. Okay. This observable. Yes, that's the one I just created. Okay. So I can change it easily to another signature. Value T. Let's say let. Actually, that's the same thing I did here. Yeah, doing this the wrong way. Okay. That way I ensure that I'm making it asynchronous. Let's rename it also. I guess it makes sense to do it like this. What is it? I don't remember this. Guess I could have done it differently. It's okay. So let's continue my test. Okay, so because I changed the signature, I need to fix it everywhere. So my test here is finished. This. Okay. This. Okay, so normally my test won't be working anymore for two reasons. Well, I guess it's still working, but I don't know why. And I have an hypothesis, but probably the tick function was called. Let's see. To check my assumptions. Maybe it's because, okay, it's not the implementation of the function. Can I? I don't know if I can breakpoint on this. No. It's a bit annoying that I want this this observable to be asynchronous. Like I don't want it to be immediately completed when I'm using it. Maybe I know. Can I do something like this? Because I'm using a mock, but can I do? No. Would be great to have some kind of supplier with ngmux. Ngmux supplier. Yeah, apparently I only have a then return. See. Checking if they have example of what I want. Actually it's not ngmux that I have to, I forgot. It's strong mock. Supplier, no. Okay. That's good. Well, somehow good, because that's the problem is I cannot verify the argument. But let's see, I at least want to check. I want to check if the test will be failing as I supposed to. See, because here they are doing a mock directly of this. And in my case, I'm doing a mock on the method. So let's see if I can manage something. Yeah, we'll need to do something, some test in a simpler test. Let's see. I will have a look at maybe a file service test. Maybe not. Maybe the base. Yeah, I want to do some tests here. So what I want to do, so mock instance, can I use it on instance name? I want to mock the whole instance. So let's have a look at mock instance. Mocks should be created by... Yeah, here they are only mocking some methods. Okay, I can try two things from what I see here. So first, this one. Service mock. Should... so I don't know if it will work as I expect. No. Okay, so not like this. Then I normally can do a when file service mock find or create folder. Okay, I don't expect it to work actually because I already tried some things. Okay, this one is not working. Instance injector. No. Maybe. Maybe I know, yes. I have a good idea. If I do this, it should work great. And actually, I will have better error message. Now I have the method which is called. That's great. And I can probably simplify some things like let me check what they were doing. Looks like they were doing this. Yes. Okay, I'm happy with this result here. Okay, the question I have currently is there a way to refactor this logic? Yes, there is a way. I could probably do something like mock file service. Okay, I forgot to take this inside. Mock file service. This way it's will be great. The only downside I see is that I should not forget to add all the methods I need to mock, but if I refactor this into one place, then that should be fine. Yeah, that's right. So what I will do, I will put this method into the file service spec. Let's put it below, maybe. And let's add export. Then I can import it. Okay. That way I will be able to reuse this mock file service method here. Okay, then I can try to improve my test here. Actually, there is something that if I want to be able to So normally I should be doing something like mock file service mock, then file service mock this, and I need to have find all. No, not like this. This. Then I can remove this. And what I should return is the file service mock. The problem I have with... Oh, maybe no, I don't have a problem, maybe. Well, for now, I can do this. But I'm not happy with this solution. Then the problem that I have is I cannot do now a mock file service again because it's already mocked. Before I was using multiple call to mock instance. There is another solution. No, I don't like it. The other solution will be to add a parameter, which will be the key to mock one of the method. There is a solution that I like, actually. Let's see, the solution that I like will be to do it differently. I will be using instance injector. So let's see. So if I'm doing this, so it should not change anything. Okay, so let's test again this test. So I could do something like like if instance, and then I have to check like if this is already a mock, return the existing mock. I have to see if there is a way to check for existing mock. I will debug. I will debug this to know. So this will probably not work because this will probably not work. Yeah. So let's see by debugging if there is a way to know if it's already mocked. So let's continue. So now I'm probably in the second call. No. Okay, maybe only the last call will work. So first call, then second call. It's only when I'm doing the mock render that it goes inside. It only uses the last mock instance call. Probably. Oh. Yes. Okay, let's see again because I need to make sure. Because once, then twice. Okay. Okay, so I still have a problem. But I see, I know how to deal with that. Okay, I will deal with it the simplest way for now. Because I don't want to... I could have somewhere some kind of cache where I'm caching the mock I'm creating and I will be reusing them. But for now, let's keep it simple. I will go back into my test. So instead of returning the find all methods like I did before, I will change. It's a bit annoying to change everything. Means I have to change these two file service find all, which I prefer actually. I prefer to do it like this. But then I won't have to recreate the mock, I can just get it from there. No, file service mock. So, file service mock. I even wonder if I should name it. Maybe I will just call it file service and I don't care if it's a mock. Yeah, like I did here actually. Here. Yeah, prefer. Let's keep the fact that it is a mock transparent. And then I can remove. No, I need to check the mock I'm creating because I need to add the trash method. I'm pretty sure that I could refactor this to iterate over all the function. Yeah, that will be something I will do later on. And why do I have this line like this? No, there is nothing running. So then I can do, well, let's remove, no, this one was a find all. What I want to do is do file service trash like this. Okay. Let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, that's not what I expected. I'm really expecting that this observable should be async with this kind of set timeout method. I don't understand because before I did a test which was working well. See, I'm in the fake casing zone, yeah. I will redo the test I did before, just to make sure that I'm not going the wrong direction. Okay, my expectations are that I will not see this something, but I will only see the test. Yes. And then I do a tick. I will see something just after test. Yeah. Is it maybe because I'm... No, I don't. Next. Maybe the problem is about the undefined value. Let's see if I change my test here with the undefined. No, it's still the same. I could do some kind of long timeout just to make sure that okay, that was weird. That was weird. Let's see, I will add a console log. Oops, removed. Okay, let's add some debugging to understand a bit more. Okay, so there is some kind of flush happening. So I have to know why. Yeah, I don't think I will get the answer below. Okay, so let's get back to this here. So the using detect changes trigger a flush. Okay. so that's fine by me. In this case, let's see. And click. I have to see, because until I reach this part, there is no reason that I would go there. Yeah. Okay, so I did this click, and probably doing the click triggered the flush. I have to understand why. Yeah, I need to understand why there is this trigger, this flash trigger. Click, okay. Here I am on the click method. Let's move the event, okay. First stabilize. The first First stabilize is causing disable auto change detection. That could be a solution. Okay, but now I understand. Understand a bit more. Okay, but still I want to check something. So because yeah, there is still something that I don't understand. So here I should have this, which is called let's add. This should be called before this part. Actually, I understand. Actually, it's my fault. Because okay, my bad. Okay, let's go back to my test. In my test, I mocked the file service trash function here with the must be consumed async observable, which is wrong because the one I care about being async is this one. Yeah. Because if I ensure that this one is async, then I know that this will complete later. And so this will come first. And then I will encounter my failure. Okay, now I need to understand. Okay, I did not call the refresh. Let's add a tick. Okay. Let's remove this timeout here. Let's do a flush. To understand. Then let's debug. It seems like we are not going into the refresh from what I saw. Okay, we go first here. That's great. And then here, that's great. Then here, again, it's great. So we are calling this find all method, apparently. Mhm. It's not telling me which one is not called. So let's see. If I remove this, probably it will be working. So after removing the category, we expect another refresh. Let's see, maybe I forgot to... Ah, okay, I see. Because I'm not removing any category, I guess. Okay, I see. I see. Let's change back. So I'm supposed to remove which category? Cat1 folder ID. Let's remove the tick here. Okay, this looks like... Yeah, this sounds like it's what? It's how I expect the test to fail. So that's good. Okay, I do like this the way it's now ensuring that it is a thing. That's great. Okay, let's add some comments. Make return an asynchronous observable. The call is delayed until next flush or tick call. And ensure the observable is ultimately consumed. Okay. Maybe some tests will be failing now that I made this a thing, but I don't think so. But I will check that later. Okay, then maybe I will change the position of my camera to here, because that way you can see the I don't know. Does it look good like this? No, maybe not. I will change it to this. This should be fine. Generally, the zone here is empty unless I'm doing things like this, which is a bit... No. I will keep it here, but then it would be great to have maybe a window that is not useful for you. Yes, it will not work. And I do this. And I have something on the right. Since no one is here, I can take some time to deal with these problems. I could have this on the right. I'm not checking. I'm usually not checking the error from there. So I could move it to the right. So I can probably do this and then run. Yeah. Okay, then like this. That's good. To do, I could have my to do also. Okay, let's keep it like this. Let's activate soft wrap. Okay, so let's continue. So this is fine too. I will keep the change. I don't need the method I had before. File service is good. But probably I will refactor again differently later. So let's go back to my test. So if I run the test, it will not be working because things that are not done in the correct order. And the way to fix this is simple. Well, actually it's really simple. I just need to do this. I don't know why I was thinking about doing some pipe map and so on with observable, but actually I just need to do this. Except, yeah, there is a problem. There is a problem, but it's not easy to detect in my test. Yeah, the test is passing even though I'm not refreshing the right time. Let's see what is the best solution for this. Is there a way to ensure the order? Let's have a look at this order. Okay, I have an idea. Making my test a bit more complex, but the idea I have is it was something like when we are getting the result, we could do something like check that this observable is not consumed. Well, this one actually. What I can do, I'll just check normally this will not change anything, okay. I could add rush observable. I could add a parameter to this method here, must be consumed as sync observable, to say that this observable should be consumed after this one. Okay, I think it's easy enough to implement. So let's add must be consumed after and then I will have an observable. Okay. And it will be simple because I just have to add expect not consumed observable to either include. No. Which is the as to be falsy. Then we add with context an observable was consumed before it's a bit difficult to write. An observable was consumed before was not consumed in the expected order. Okay, that's what I want, and it should work as expected normally. Well, okay. Yeah, I forgot something. I need to add. Oh, I don't remember where is it. I guess I can add somewhere. What is this rule? Let's see if it is really what I think. Parameter question mark. Oh no, I'm not a robot. Ah, okay, I just understood. Because I cannot have both a question mark and an initialization. Okay. This must be consumed after. Okay. It's still failing. Observer. Okay, I know why. It does not have to be any. Okay. I guess this will work now. Let's rerun to be sure. Okay. There is maybe a problem. The problem is both of them are consumed at the same time, I think. Maybe if I run the test enough time. No. But let's see. If I declare this before, yeah. That's of course another problem. Because I have a problem here. Doing all these calls to the trash method, and then I'm doing the call to the find all, and it could be that the find all function will finish before the trash method. So let's see how I can test. Okay, how can I ensure that it will work in the correct order? Trying to find a solution. If possible, an elegant one. Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea, yes. Okay, let's see when we get to this. Yeah, and actually it may be simple enough. So here I am doing the subscribe here. Prism. Then I go there. Here I'm doing the subscribe to the trash method. Then I'm doing the subscribe for the refresh. And here it is where I can detect the problem because I still have still have the other observable which was not consumed. Yeah. So I can simply say something like so the error is not exactly the same. Let me try to explain. It's like the other observable has not yet been consumed. So conflicts, other conflicts could happen. Okay, let's say differently. This observable must not be subscribed to until the other observable it depends on has been consumed. Okay, I guess that's it. Here the problem is that I don't have I guess it's okay because let's see. I will have an error and I want to check if it's easy to understand, but actually I don't have zero. I don't have this error, so let's see why. Oh, I forgot to add to start it in debug. So here I'm subscribing to the trash method. Here I'm subscribing to the final. So here, that's here that I should return an error. So let's evaluate as must be consumed after false. And this should be true. So maybe okay, let's see. I will check something else. No, I just want to. Okay, let's restart the test. Don't understand why I'm not getting there before. It's maybe okay. Maybe that's my mistake. Okay. No, it's logic. So let's see. If I do not consume observable as observable, it's returning true. And let's see. No, I have another observable, so let's do again as observable, false. Then true. No, I forgot. Then true. Okay. Then I don't understand. At this moment, must be consumed after. So this is an observable, which should be part of the not consumed observables. And this is what I don't understand. Yeah, so let's see the trash observable. Okay, there is something that I need to do. Okay, let's have a new class. Class test observable. Maybe let's say my observable. So I don't remember how to declare an override of a class in TypeScript. So let's see class inheritance. Extends. Okay. Then I will add a property which will be It's not Boolean. Completed. Oops. Okay, maybe. Okay, that's it. I forgot a bit how TypeScript work. So now I will do a new my observable. Do completed. Yeah. Observable completed equals true. Okay. That way I will be able to check better. I have one problem with that way. I cannot check the. Okay, so actually I can check that it's false. No, it's okay. So must be consumed after undefined, must be consumed after it's my okay, this is a bit weird because why is I don't know why there is a source here. That's probably the cause of my problem. So we can see it's not completed. So okay, so I have must be consumed after source. And this is true, okay. But then why is there a source inside? Here I have maybe an explanation. Let's see. Maybe it's because of the question mark, but I'm not sure. Oh no, it's not because of the undefined, okay. I still have a source and okay, I know. Because I'm returning the observable pipe or something. Okay. Okay, that's it. I understood. So adding this observable before I do the pipe. Let's see, if I do this, I still have access to observable here. So for me, it's a bit weird. It's a bit weird to have to be able to access this variable before I complete this. Okay, that's working. Well, that's failing as expected. And if I remove this dependency, okay. Then let's fix the problem. I'm happy to have my test working as intended. Yeah, so I was thinking that we would manage to finish this user story at the end of this session, but actually I'm spending a lot of time on small stuff, but I do like to get things the right way and to find a solution I'm happy with. So that's fine for me. Yeah. Here there is some, there could be an issue which I don't really care, like if you do this refresh here, but actually we are removing, actually I do care about this. If I'm removing empty categories, okay, so there is still something because this observable here, the trash, must be used after the refresh. Wait, I will say first refresh observable. Yes, that's actually important. Okay, let's see. I'm now wondering if I care. Do I care that I'm doing the set category after the first refresh? Yes, I do care. I have a feeling that I'm doing things a bit too complicated, more complicated than they should be. But maybe not. Because here the order is really important. I first have to do a set category. Then I must do a refresh, because if I don't do the refresh first, then when I'm trying to trash the files, we'll have some problem. The problem I have is that I have the feeling that I was fixing that already. If I go to my component here, yes, no, it's okay, okay. It's okay because the function I'm using to trash the folder will not work before the first refresh. So I don't have to check. What I have to check is the first refresh. No, I guess that's okay. Yeah, maybe what I have to check. Hello Swin, can I apply my screenwriting skill to your project? What do you mean by your screenwriting skills? If you mean like if you want to contribute to my project, for now I am not accepting contribution. But I'm not sure what you mean by a screenwriting skill. Okay, I will keep things simple. I will limit my assumption to things, to bugs I detect. Directing school. If you mean to sell me something, then it will be no. But actually, I don't understand your what you propose. Okay, so I will make this test work. So currently I'm doing... No, what did I do? Yeah, I forgot. Okay. So actually there is an issue, because now that I've changed this refresh to an async one, there is an issue because I'm not waiting for the refresh to finish. Okay, that's great to know, to know about this. Let's see where I'm using this refresh function. Here I can add a subscribe. Here I can just pipe and flat map. Oh yeah. Okay, so I will change this to an observable. If I do this, it will give me a subscription. That's not what I want. I want to do a pipe map. So do I have something like because with a map I have to return something and I don't want to return something. I want this to be an observable of void. Okay, just need to fix my syntax. Okay, no, it's okay. I can do a map like this. So now the refresh is unobservable. And the problem there is with observable is I need to subscribe to them. Otherwise it will not work. So let's see. I want to make sure that my tests are already making sure I'm doing this. Can I list them in the order? It's always on top. Okay. This one should be fixed by a subscribe here. Yes. Which refresh am I missing? File. Let's see, do I have a test with a trash? This error is a bit strange. I don't know from which test it's coming from. Unfortunately, remove empty categories. So, yeah, okay, I see why. But it's unfortunate that it's killing my server. Okay. Because it's time to end my dev session, I will stop on this change. Or maybe I can try to fix it anyway. I will just dumbly fix the refresh for now. Because I don't like the way. We'll handle it better, but I guess I still have some problem with okay, so I don't have this after all problem anymore. Okay, but I know why, but it's okay. Some tests are not sufficiently set up. Let's say they are missing some kind of async protection. But I don't want to fix them. They are actually answering something else, so I won't fix the test. So this one. Okay. This one is because I'm not using the mock well. So this way it should be better. This one is because I moved this to async, and then let's see, I will keep this one pin tab. Okay, it's better. This is the test I'm working on. So in this test, it's still not better. Okay, because there is a refresh. It is strange. Because the function is called. Oh, it's here. Actually, yeah. This is here. But for some reason, it is not expecting this call to find all. We'll maybe move. Okay, that's one. I will move this to here. Normally, I'm doing my mock before the mock render. So I will move this here. I don't think I need the tick anymore. Then let's see if it's better. Yes. Then I will just rerun all of my tests again. Okay, so now I only have one remaining test to fix. And to fix this test, it's really not difficult. I just need to move this to here. Map. It's more like a flat map, actually. No, a switch map. Or merge map. Yes, merge map. No, actually, it was the same as above. So normally I still have a problem because... Okay. An observable was not consumed. Okay, because I'm not doing a subscribe on this, but even this I should fail the test. Yes. Okay. Because the refresh depends on doing the trash methods first. So then I need to... Yeah, I know. I know what I want to do. It's a mix of two things. I want to know if... Ah, yeah, I know. I know what I want. I want to do something like this. Return the map. And actually, I will do a filter first. Okay. Then, okay, it's returned me an array of observable. Yeah, I will keep it like this. Okay. So this will return me remove categories. Let's say request. So if there is some request, what I want to do, let's see if I can. I would like to merge all of these observables. So RxJS merge observables. Merge. If I want to merge, I'll do merge. order, not concat. I guess concat is yeah, it's when I care about the order. I don't want to combine the output. That's okay. Merge. I don't know why it was this is a term. It's like it was something to not be used. So I merge the request, then I do a pipe, merge map, refresh, and then I do a subscribe. Okay, this is quite complex, I think, to ensure the order. I can do better. So let's do better. No, I won't, because there is some kind of condition, like if there is no remove category request, then oh no, I can do it like this. But the problem is I don't want to do a refresh in this case. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so I still have a problem of order. There is only one observable with this condition. It's a find all. The last find all should be done after the trash request. Is it because I'm doing a pipe? No, it's weird. Okay. This time I will stop the stream. I still have a little bit to do in order to make this feature work. So when removing the last file from the category, I should also remove the category. It was a bit more complex than I thought about because there is a lot of order to guarantee, which I had no test of this form before. Yeah. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching if you are watching the replay, and that's it for me. So goodbye. If I can end the stream. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.